Hello everyone, and welcome to the Chapter 17, the nervous and endocrine systems. So we're going to be looking at the nervous system, the endocrine system in this chapter. So I'd like you to take a look at this picture. Most of us are familiar with a AA battery. Here's a AA battery sold from Amazon, and I'd like you to take a look at this. It's 1.5 volts of power. Well, volts, believe it or not, is what powers the nervous system. Volts of electricity. But 1 volt is way too big. We have very tiny bits of electricity coursing through our body over our nervous system all the time. But it's not in volts that scientists measure that. They take 1 volt, right down here, and they divide it into 1,000 parts, and they call that a millivolt. And the abbreviation for it is a small m, capital V. So 1,000 millivolts. Millivolts are the standard of electricity that's coursing through our body, which makes the nervous system work. And that's what we're going to talk about now. So welcome to Chapter 17, or I'm hoping everybody is charged up, and let's get started.